Okay. And in the formal education, there is a curriculum. The curricular expectation is there. That is, NEP also comes kind of expectations. Then course expectations in the curriculum, subject expectations, life skill expectations, personal expectations. Everything come together as a learning outcome. A teacher or an institution or an organization or a government should consider all these in order to make a citizen that is good for or worth for the nation. So the curriculum should be developed based on some kind of expectations, what kind of that is citizen is necessary for a national development. Then the course is building accordingly. Course 1, 2, 3 like this, and now it is 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 is there. That is that is course development, and subject expectation is there. Now they are giving chance for multidisciplinary because it is necessary for all round development of a child and the nation also. Then life skill development expectations. Every person has their own expectation to, that is to grow, to develop. That is everything come together in the learning outcome. Can you please explain this? Could you please answer me?
Why do we teach? Sir, show that screen again, please.
Why do the students learn? Why do we teach?
Why do we teach and why do they learn?
That is question.
Sir, actually the thing is, everybody has to learn something in the life. Inborn, like talents, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है कि when anybody is born and he or she knows everything. To be in the society, we should know certain skills. Whether, if I say, even the child learns how to walk, the parent teaches how to walk. We need some guide for that. So automatically nothing happens. And even we teach so many things. So we are fortunate that we have been given this responsibility of teaching the students, and that's it.
I think so. That our forefathers better than us because they learned anything themselves without any help. Now we are reading, we are telling, learning out because somebody else spent their day or one life for finding everything else. Again, I am asking, why do we teach again? What we are going to teach? So there is an international, that is very clear objective is there. Please see. Read it.
UNESCO's Education for Sustainable Development Initiative in 2012 presented a conceptual framework for ongoing lifelong learning. And this model organizes learning into the 5 pillars.
Okay, please keep in mind, we are also going with that one. Why do we learn? Learning to?
Learning to know.
Yes. Development of skill, knowledge needed to function in the world. Formal acquisition of literacy, numeracy, critical thinking, general knowledge. Okay, then learning to do what we are learning. If you are not and that's capable to do, what is the use of that knowledge? Nothing. Acquisition of applied skill linked to professional success. We are also learning something, how to find learning outcome, how to measure the outcome, check whether it is attained or not, find whether it is the defect of the course or the instructor or the learner or the environment, etc., etc. Then learning to live together, social being. Yes, development of social skill, values such as respect, concern for others, and appreciation of cultural diversity. Otherwise, that is why we are learning, we are teaching. Then, Learning to be. Learning that contribute to be to a person's mind, that is insight, I told you, body and spirit. Skills include creativity, personal discovery, acquired through reading, the internet, and activities such as sports and arts. To become something in any of these parts. Then the fifth pillar added on 2012 only. Learning to, please read. Anybody, please? Hello, Meenakshi, are you there?
Learning to
Yes,
transform.
yes. Ma'am
Okay.
can read.
Yeah.
Okay, Parija, ma'am.
You can read.
Okay,
Meenakshi, ma'am.
please, Parija.
Learning to transform oneself and society, with which it is, no? It's
When
not clear.
individuals
Individual,
and
the
groups
groups gain
knowledge,
knowledge, develop
skills and
to skills and acquire new values as a result of learning.
yeah,
They
are
something equipped with the tool. They are equipped with the tools and mindsets for creating
lasting change
large change.
in
No?
lasting change in
Lasting change in
organizations,
organizations,
communities, and societies. This is the
communities, and
5
the
pillars.
societies.
All these state in the world taken as the basis for curriculum development. Is it clear now? One more time we can also, that is learning to,
Sir,
no, please come.
sir, actually we say we are learning to know.
Yeah.
We are learning to
Do?
live together, collaboration.
Yeah,
We
that
are
is, it is,
learning.
yeah.
Yes, please.
What is the collaboration here? That is this one.
So learning to live together, when together means collaboration.
Yeah, everything is here. Yeah. This is the 5 pillar. Every nation in the world
We'll repeat all 5. Please
yeah,
repeat all 5.
Yeah, please. Go. Learning to know.
Learning to know the development of the skills and knowledge needed to function in this world. Formal acquisition of literacy, numeracy, critical thinking, general knowledge.
Yeah.
Yes, learning to know.
No.
Yes. Learning to do.
Yeah.
Now, learning to do, the acquisition of applied skills is linked to the professional success.
Yes.
Number 1, we learned, we got to know about new things, and next is the learning to do. When we have learned something, and we are doing it, practice.
Otherwise, it has no use.
Yeah, this is skill-based education. You're talking about whatever we have learned, and we are
otherwise no.
just skill-based knowledge.
Of course, skill-based or what-based, but if it is not in a position to apply in life or in the job, what is the use of that knowledge? That is, students are also asking, ma'am, I am okay, but why do you teach me this one again? Only for exam. That is only. That is learning, live it together in the society. How to live in the society? Collaboration,
Learning
cooperation, anything you can take it.
Social skills, values, respect, concern for others. Yeah, automatically, nothing comes automatically.
Yeah. Okay. Shall I move?
Yes, please.
To be.
Learning to be. The learning that contributes to a person's mind, body, and spirit. Skills include creativity, personal discovery, acquired through reading, the internet, and the activities such as sports and arts. Learning to be.
Yeah. Become something. Be. What do you want to become the life?
You're talking about the goal.
Yeah. I want to become a teacher. Okay. You learn. I want to become that is cricketer. Okay, learn cricket. I want to become an artist. Okay, learn artist. Okay. That is way. Learn to become something. Learn to be.
Yes.
Otherwise, that is students who are also after completion B.Ed, that is engineering, they are not able to apply and want to be. There is no training was there. That
Mhm,
is why they are also still remain unemployed. Then
mhm.
last one is it is incorporated 2012 only.
Sir, pardon, just a minute. Sorry.
That is learning to transform oneself and society. Individual and group gain knowledge, develop skill, acquire new values as a result of learning.
Acquire new values.
Yeah, acquire new knowledge.
They,
And that is acquire new values as a result of learning. Whenever we are learning, we are going to know more values, more values. They are
more
also, yeah, equipped with the tools and
Then
mindset of,
only we can understand.
yeah, that is evening I told, are you not get ashamed to be a teacher? We value and we more know more. That then only our every profession is doing more and finding more and getting more, knowing more. But the teachers are still there and blaming somebody else always.
Not
The
only
first,
that, sir. When
yeah,
they select any profession, they are thinking about which job is getting more money.
yeah.
That's that is
Okay,
more
they are
thinking.
getting money only by they are fresh upping everything. If you are
Yeah.
keeping the previous one and going
Yeah.
to sell everything, who is going to buy it? We should
Yeah.
transform our society. But teachers are still like this because
Yeah.
they are the mindset is they want more money. 100% okay. Every profession in the IAS, every year they are going for the training, even though the
Yeah.
doctors, professionals are going for higher education and training also everywhere. Even the business.
Yeah.
Every
Teachers should
among
have the
us,
habit to read also.
yeah,
Yeah. Read more. They have to read and update their knowledge.
yeah. Then only we can transform because we are the real transformers of the society. We transform the student, but we are not learning. How do you transfer the student? That is
Even
I told.
doctors, they are studying every day, no?
Yeah.
That
Everybody.
diseases and will come. So
Meenakshi,
they
ma'am, what
should
is your
not
opinion?
everyone.
Actually, I though even definitely think like this, like learning to transform oneself and society. If so there are actually two different views basically. Number one, usually one philosophy says we cannot change others; we have to change ourselves.
Yeah,
Okay, but I
that.
would rather say ki if I'm saying
Yeah.
like obviously charity begins at home. Let us first try to transform ourselves, and with the transformation of ourselves we have to think about the larger picture.
Yes.
Like first, if the child is learning something, the
Yeah.
child should share his or her learning, or maybe I or whosoever oneself
Yeah.
should be there was a movie also. In that movie I learned something, that whatever skill you have learned,
Okay.
now you will be sharing this skill with two more persons. If I
Okay.
whatever I'm learning from you, if I'll be sharing with two more persons, and
Yes.
with the condition like they will be sharing with two more persons, and definitely everybody will be learning so many skills.
There is a saying in Malayalam. I can translate to English. That is Vidya, that is education, is more and more when it is sharing only. That
Yes, sir.
is
In
the
actually whatever. Yes, yeah. Please continue, sir. Yes.
I think it is, I can tell you that is മേന്മ നൽകും മരിച്ചാലും വിദ്യ തന്നെ മഹാധനം. If you are going to die, your fame is only through your education only. Okay, that is whenever it is sharing, it is multiplying. That
Yes.
is the
Yes.
education. That is a saying in Malayalam. It's a kavita in
Yeah.
Malayalam. Okay, share your idea.
Yeah. Yes. We say actually. Basically, I'm from Punjab.
Yeah.
In Punjab, we say in Punjabi, Vidya Vichari Tam Parupkari. Like we have to spread Vidya, education, Vichari to spread all over, and
Okay.
that is the objective.
That is another one. വിദ്യ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നറുതൈ എന്ത് വെണ്ണയുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നറുതൈ വേറിട്ട് കരുതേണമോ. If you are the education, why you are looking for anything else? That is your wealth. Education is your wealth. Many are there. Okay, that is the way we are going. That is why.
Sir, one more thing, as you
Yeah.
are talking in this thing,
Yeah, please.
just wanna ask you, like in NEP, is it there is something like that? I mean, like no compulsion for English and all. Then if there will not be any compulsion, then the art children would say, oh, we will be going for mother language or whatever. What's
Yeah.
like?
That is very good. Because if you are also proficient in mother language, any language is easy. Because in case of me, I just studied up to class 8 only in Malayalam, then to English.
Mhm.
I think everybody before 1995, 90% of the people are studying the mother tongue.
Yeah,
And
I
definitely.
learned
I
from
did.
fifth
Yeah.
only,
and
sir.
everybody
I
in
learned
various
from
parts, I
fifth
think
only.
the most famous, I
Yeah.
think, if there is a moon, there is a Malayali. That is the Malayali's presence anywhere else. They know because they are ready to learn any language. That only readiness
Mhm.
we want. We can learn any language. For example, I am coming to, that is your Punjab. Within days, I actually, without any, it's a compulsion to learn Punjabi because I can't stick there. That is why that is we are not English lab. We are making communication lab. We are speaking lab. We are not English villa. That is my that is philosophy in creating English villa, maths villa, science villa, making it
Yeah,
is natural
you're
learning
right.
system.
Sir, in fact, even I would say, like,
Yeah.
when my child is studying in a school where
Okay.
obviously nowadays the means of communication is English only.
Yeah.
And though at home we try to talk to him in English, but he is such a patriot, I would say. He would say, no, my language is Hindi and I'm going to speak in Hindi. It's my Matri Bhasha or whatever. And he's such a patriot.
Okay.
So the thing is, sometimes he says, why? Because now he's not becoming fluent. Because of this, if I'm talking about myself, I learned all the concepts in my own language,
Yes.
in Punjabi, and I studies
Yeah.
English
Yeah.
as well.
Yes. Yes.
But when I came to NCR after my marriage, then I had to struggle a lot because I was having some hesitation for English speaking and all.
Okay. I think
So
language is only to understand this, not it to take as
yeah,
a
but
status.
actually you are saying like we need to focus on the concept rather
Yes.
than the medium of instruction. If the concept is
Yeah,
clear,
that
our
and
objective
yeah,
is
it will come to the. We are also going to discuss about that. Okay, I think many are
yeah.
there. Now you know why we are teaching. Okay, why the students are learning. Okay, okay. Then we are come to what is learning outcome. Okay, please, anybody read it.
Learning outcomes are the statements that describe the knowledge or the skills students should acquire by the end of a particular assignment, class, course, or program, and help the students to understand why that knowledge or those skills will be useful to them. Yeah,
Yes.
definitely they'll ask why
Okay,
to learn.
very good, very good, very good. Okay, then come. I give me all of a sudden I am given an example. I have changed some kind of pedagogy now. Okay. The end of the
At
course,
the end
student
of the
will be able
course.
to. Okay, please read it.
No, fine, ma'am. Please continue, Rajka ma'am.
Yeah, identify and by the end of the course, students will be able to identify and describe the political, religious, economics, and social uses of art in India during the independence struggle.
Okay, then second one.
No?
Get
Identify
able to identify
personalities.
a range of personalities. Then able to analyze the word
Sorry,
analyze.
sir.
Role of Brazil movement
Ah,
in this.
identify, analyze the role of various
Yes.
moments in the
Okay.
struggle for independence.
And
Link the role of
able
non-violence.
to lead. That able to. That is the outcome.
Able to.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is it clear now?
Link the role of non-violence
Yes.
and its values
What
of
is
the
that? Is the
period.
subject. Okay.
Yeah.
Then come to evaluate. Able to evaluate.
Yeah. Able to evaluate,
Okay.
defend their response to a range
Yeah.
of art history.
Odd. It will come in your subject also. We are going to tell like this. Okay. Is it okay? That is Meenakshi,
Yeah,
no?
definitely, sir.
Okay.
Perfect,
Then,
sir.
Yeah.
please, Meenakshi.
Yeah.
Yeah, Meenakshi ma'am.
Sir, it's actually learning objectives, learning outcomes, and learning indicators. I'll go
Okay.
one by one.
Okay.
Learning objectives. No, I'll compare both.
Yeah.
All the three. Learning objectives is goals set by the teacher,
Okay.
and learning outcome is a goal target students.
Students. Yeah.
Yes, definitely. Whenever
Yeah.
we make a lesson plan,
Yeah.
we write at the top what are the learning objectives.
Yes.
I want my children to learn this. I want my
Ah.
children to understand this. This is my objective. They should
Okay.
understand what are the different types of eating habits of animals.
Okay.
And then learning outcome is when the students, they have learned something and they can recognize by looking at the animal, they can say like this particular animal is
Yes,
a
yes,
herbivore
yes.
or carnivore or omnivore.
Okay.
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 And then learning indicators are evidences. Now this is the evidence of learning.
Yeah.
When the child is able to recognize anywhere
Yes.
outside,
Yeah.
like okay, that is the indicator, like how we can come to know
Ah.
like whether our objective has been achieved or not.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
And next is
Yes.
provide structure to the teaching and the learning process. Yes. And tells us about learning action.
Yeah.
Indicate how the learning will be visible.
Yeah.
So next point.
Okay.
Pointers which indicate extent of learning and its quality. Okay,
Okay.
this is that
Only three are
student
there.
and
Okay.
teacher know what they are striving for. Okay,
Yes.
क्यों कर रहे हैं, क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं, why are they studying?
Yeah. Yes.
It is objective, why are they studying?
Yeah.
And outcome, it is visible, observable, and measurable.
Observable and measurable.
That's clear now. It is so clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then come to.
Absolutely.
I am taking one example from one book, NCRT, Class 7, Chapter 7, Conservation of Plant and Animal, and fixing the learning objectives. Okay.
Yes.
Verbal form. Learning objectives to understand
Understand.
natural resources with example. Another objective is to learn. Please find the verbal form in objective and outcome. That is the most important difference. Okay. Then know about how does deforestation. Okay. But these are not measurable. Learning objectives only teacher centered. It's clear?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
to understand about the post. Okay, that is all. Then come to same lesson. Expected learning outcome. Student will be able to
Be able to
enlist.
enlist
Okay.
various natural
Okay.
resources, plants,
Then classify.
and causes,
Then
deforestation,
demonstrate.
natural
List. Compare.
discuss,
Value.
man-made,
Create. This is the important. What are the things now? Enlist. We should come by the shared
Enlist.
clause. Okay, I think I am going to do. Sharing is closed automatically. Okay. That is, I am going to highlight. This is, I am waiting for this highlight now only. L list. Where we can find out where it come in the taxonomy also. Demonstrate. List. These are the abilities we are going to measure in the learning outcome. Okay. That where the student can value this. Student can create.
You have not shared the notes of the previous session.
Okay. Yeah. That is assessment I take because hard disk has lost now. Everything is lost from the hard disk, external hard disk. I am going to recover it. Is, I think you know that one. It is 15 years my work. Not only one. Okay, I will retrieve. This is okay. This one, but only assessment. Assessment that is very good because I am adding more. We can get more. Okay. These are the things. Okay. Student will be a list. Please see. Can I ask anything else?
Classify, demonstrate.
Okay.
list,
It's clear?
compare. Yeah.
Hello?
Compare value.
Nashami, is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Enlist, classify, list, compare, value, create. Yes. Yeah.
Then come to learning indicators. Student is preparing list. Response is shown by student to indicate natural and man-made factors. Role play on deforestation. Student prepared plan, painting, picture, forestation, blogging. Many we can do according to our, everything we can do. Every evidence is, that is ECD, evidence-centered design. Whenever we are
What about
making a
evidence? So
centered.
repeat once.
ECD, evidence-centered design. ECD.
Evidence-centered
Design. Yeah, that is curriculum design. Framework.
Okay, design.
Yeah,
Okay,
design.
evidence-centered design.
ECD. We should make an ECD for every school.
Mhm.
Then only teacher also going to fulfill all this kind of an outcome measurement indicators. Okay.
Mhm.
Is it clear now? The difference between outcome, objective, outcome, and indicators.
Mhm.
All three are clear?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Then we are come to the, what are you asking, the taxonomy level. Okay. Please see. Recall. I am only recalling you also the same. Okay. That is familiar. Okay. Then where it come? Define. It come in the remember 11. Remember that questions in the outcome. Define a list. Classify, understand 11. Demonstration, application level. Compare, analytical level. Value, enlist, evaluation level. Create, creative level. Clear? Any doubt?
Let me see. No doubt, sir.
Clear. Okay.
No doubt.
Thank you. Okay. Then one example, one statement about all. Please read it.
Evaluate a situation. The student has to have the knowledge and proper understanding of the concepts and situation. The learner has to first analyze, and only then evaluation is possible. Hence, as we move higher up, all the lower levels are automatically used.
Yes.
Yeah. Therefore, some of the action verbs used in learning outcome should be of higher order. Yeah, when we are coming at this level, automatically this will be. And sir, do you understand Hindi?
No,
Yeah.
no, 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 no. She is a Hindi teacher too. Okay.
Sir, actually, there is a not at all. You don't
Okay.
understand even Hindi.
Okay. Go ahead. Okay.
Sir, there is a proverb in Hindi.
Okay.
Okay, we say हाथी के पाँव में सबका पाँव. Means the elephant's feet is so big. Like the
Okay.
little small feet, it can be like उसके impression में बहुत सारे आ जाते हैं.
Okay.
So it is like when we are coming to this creation level or maybe the higher order levels,
Yes.
and the lower ones will automatically cover inside. Am I right, Prajita ma'am?
Yeah. Low
Yeah,
automatically.
correct. You're
That
correct.
is, I told you, the relevance of, you are going to change the relevance of this Blues taxonomy after some time. I am going with that one now. Okay. After 10 minutes, we are coming again with the same link. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay. No, okay. Okay,
10
no.
minutes,
After,
sir, 10
after
minutes.
10
Okay.
minutes. Okay. We should not space.
Okay, fine.
That is, I am telling. We can't keep the taxonomy one, class 1 to, okay. Class 1 is not necessary now. Because
Sir,
students
you have
are,
to take our session on NEP also. Okay.
Okay.
And yes. Okay, I'm coming after 10 minutes. Bye.
I am taking recap. Then one second.
Now? Achha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is, I changed the pedagogy now. I told you. Okay. Learning objectives are
Yes, sir.
goals.
Good.
You stretch out to the
Student.
teaching learning process. Outcome should be observable and measurable.
Mm-hmm.
Action words used preferably should have some words which falls into the higher level of thinking skill according to Blues taxonomy. Learning outcome.
Mm-hmm.
Indicators are evidence of learning. Now we learned about why do we teach, why do we learn. Okay.
Hmm.
Then come to
Hmm.
that is learning to know,
Learning to know,
Yeah.
learning to
Learning-
be, learning to
Yeah,
live,
learning
learning
to
to do,
know, learning to do,
know,
learning to
know, do,
live together,
live,
learning to be,
be.
learning for self and social change, transform self and society.
Hmm.
Then come to
Right.
why do we teach? There is an objective, and there is an outcome, there is an indicators. Difference is also mentioned with examples. It's clear? Recap is clear now?
Yes.
So clear. Then how to write learning outcome? Effective learning outcome can be articulated at several levels, including lesson level, course level, program level, degree level, curriculum level, or class level, topic level, unit level, according to. Because if you are also going to have one unit, 1 year, sorry, 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, what is the outcome? Okay. It is completely student oriented and describe what both the student have to learn, what the instructor will teach. So we can do like this. Please understand
Skills,
every point.
abilities, knowledge, values that the students are expected to learn. Plus, measurable, achievable in nature. That we call SMART. It should be specific,
Yeah,
it should
smart
be
we are going to
measurable,
discuss.
achievable,
Yeah.
realistic, and
Yeah,
compound.
yeah.
Because sometimes we think out of the box. I mean, out of the thinking that is even not out of the box is okay, but sometimes we
Yeah.
imagine okay, our students may do wonders or whatever, and
Yes, yes.
that is really not feasible.
Yeah.
By even being at the ground level, we should understand okay what
Okay.
they can do.
Okay. That is learning outcome. Okay. Then
Absolutely.
good or bad? Read it.
Can a learning how much time is left? Can a learning outcome be buttoned down as good or bad?
Hmm.
The students will understand the concept government. The students will be able to describe the major notions of the government. Wonderful.
Yeah.
And the students will appreciate cultural practices of people in India. The students will identify and demonstrate the varied cultural practices. Now they should be able to identify as well. They won't only appreciate. The
Yeah.
students will
How do you
learn
measure
about
the appreciate? That is the problem.
what?
But many teachers are doing like this. Will understand. How do you measure understand? Will be able to describe, we can measure.
Yeah.
Will appreciate,
Yes.
how do you? Will identify, demonstrate, we can measure. Will learn. How do you measure will learn? Will explain, that is the outcome. Will learn is the objective only.
So, sir, my question to you is, if we say this is the good learning outcome, the student will be able to describe major notions of the government.
Okay.
He'll be able to describe, that is the outcome.
Yes.
And at the teacher level, if I have to write the same thing as learning objective, how will I write over there? Like my objective is the student should be able to understand the major notions of the government. Am I right?
That is objective only. Understand.
Objective. I'm talking about objective.
Yeah,
Yes.
that is okay.
I'm talking about like that is my
Yeah.
objective.
Yeah, of course.
And my outcome, how will I get to know the students have understood when they will be
Yes.
able to
Yeah.
describe?
The
And now in
ability
the
is measuring.
In the
The
next
ability-
question, the
yeah.
students will identify and demonstrate the varied cultural practices of people of India. Now
Yes.
here my objective will become the students will be able to know about the varied
Okay.
cultural practices. My objective is they should know.
Yes.
And how can I measure? I will measure when they will be able to identify and then they will
Okay.
appreciate.
Okay.
Right, sir?
That many teachers are doing this mistake. Many. I just experienced many because they can understand the concept of outcome and objective. The teacher is making objectives. The student, what is happening, that is.
Sir, I'll tell you one thing and you will definitely
Yeah.
maybe because such a learned person, when you will get to know how we all are doing it, how we have been doing it earlier, you will definitely pull your hair like what is being done over here. We people used to do initially We used to write our objectives. The students will be able to know about suppose the notions of the government, and the students will be able to know about the cultural practices. They should able to understand something. And then we used to copy our learning objective. We used to paste in the learning outcome column, and we just used to change like
Only
the
the verbal
students
form.
understood by government notion. The students knew about this. We just changed
It
into past form.
happened during the assessment criteria for CC. Only to making yes or no. Last end of the year, they are taking a chart and everything. Okay, tick, 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 tick. Whenever we are given, they are ticking. I think for example, we are writing skill. Student is able to write well. Good. Okay. What is the range? What is range, sir? Whether they are full in that one or partially or short or no. What is it? That is indicators, but they don't know. They are only ticking this. Okay. So wonders are happening. What is a big deal about a learning outcome? Okay, we are going to make a big deal. Okay. Please.
What is a big deal about learning outcomes? And appealing learning outcome has 3 sessions. It answers 3 main questions about the student's learning experience. What all 3, sir? Please show. Refers to the Bloom's taxonomy action verbs to do what?
Yes.
Okay. For what? To do what and with what?
Content, everything is here. This is the main deal, outcome sessions. This without this we could, but we should think to do what they can do, what is there, for what they are also doing this, for these abilities. What they are doing,
Yes.
identify. With what, showing this. Otherwise, there is no learning outcome. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. Then, smart. You can know. Very easy. Learning outcome smart. Very easy to you, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, we are making a learning design. I think,
Last 1 minute, I guess this is left. The target is by completion of the class, the student should be able to recall, explain, interpret, compare, differentiate, implement, judge. Sir, I think this we will discuss after the 10 minutes
yeah,
break.
that's okay.
Fine.
Yeah, after this we can come again with the same link, okay? If any difficulty, I will create another one. Okay. Ready? മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ അല്ലയോ? ഇതൊക്കെ വേണം, ഇതൊക്കെയാണ് നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടത് പഠിക്കണം. ഇനിയിപ്പോ പുതിയ സാധനം വരുന്നേ ഉള്ളൂ, ഇത് കഴിയട്ടെ, ഇതിപ്പോ ഇപ്പൊ ഉള്ളതാണ്. ഓക്കെ, 1 minute. വെള്ളമൊക്കെ കുടിച്ചിട്ട് വരാം.